Hi guys, we're gonna pick this small and really beat up padlock. Today it's the ABUS 6530. It's a 4-pin lock which I found locked on one bench while I was waiting for the tram. So it was there for, I don't know, more than a week at least. I know about it for more than a week. Inside there was a rake that was broken, so I had to remove that first, and then I managed to, well, pick it up, literally. Yeah, just a quick video to pick the nice small 4-pin ABUS. So starting from the back. I reset something, that's why I reset the lock. Come on, number 2. Here we go. Picked. So that's the small ABUS 6530 and it's picked. It's a cute lock. Okay guys, thanks for watching, enjoy the summer, cheers!